In the tranquil corners of our kitchens, there exists an art that soothes the soul, the art of cooking. Today we explore the delightful journey of making chicken leg roasted dumplings. Picture a serene kitchen, the heart of a home, where this sumptuous dish comes to life. Originating from the melting pot of global flavors, these dumplings have carved a niche in our hearts and palates. Embark with me on this culinary journey as we delve into the process of creating these little pockets of joy. Every masterpiece begins with an array of colors, and ours starts with the freshest of ingredients. We begin with a plump, juicy chicken leg, the star of our show. Then we need flour, the canvas on which our masterpiece will take shape. We add water, the binder, subtly merging all elements. Salt and pepper, our trusty sidekicks, enhance the flavors, while garlic adds a punch of aroma. Lastly, we have our secret blend of spices, the final touches that make our dish unique. With these ingredients at hand, we are ready to create our delicious dumplings. The symphony of flavors begins with the preparation, a dance of textures and aromas. Our journey commences with kneading the dough, a task that requires patience and a gentle hand. Feel the softness, the elasticity, the life making its way through the dough. Next, we marinate the chicken. Just imagine the succulent pieces of chicken bathing in a pool of spices and herbs, soaking up all the flavors, creating a melody of tastes that will dance on your tongue. Now we move to stuffing the dumplings. The dough, now smooth and pliant, is filled with the marinated chicken. Each dumpling is a little parcel of joy, a promise of the flavors to come. Finally, we seal them. Each dumpling, a testament to our labor of love, is sealed with a firm yet gentle pinch, locking in the flavors and the anticipation. And just like that, our dumplings are ready for their golden bath. In the sizzling heat, our dumplings begin their transformation, from raw ingredients to a mouth-watering delight. Listen as they hiss and pop, dancing in the hot pan, their melody a promise of the feast to come. The air fills with the tantalizing aroma of spices, a symphony of scents that stirs the appetite. Watch as they change, their once pale skin turning a rich, appetizing golden brown. Our dumplings, now golden and crispy, are ready to be savored. The moment of truth arrives as we take the first bite of our perfectly cooked chicken leg roasted dumplings. The crust cracks audibly, revealing tender chicken that's juicy and succulent. It's a symphony of flavors, each note perfectly harmonizing with the next. The rich chicken, the aromatic herbs, the gentle hint of spices. The dumpling is a testament to the labor of love that cooking truly is. In every bite, there lies the comfort of home, the joy of cooking, and the beauty of sharing a meal. Until next time,